case against Duduzile Zuma Sambutla has again fueled debate about social media posts and their influence. Zuma Sambutla is accused of sharing insightful social media posts that fueled the civil unrest in Durban back in July 2021. This followed the jailing of her father, Jacob Zuma. Over 300 people died in the violence, which spread to Gauteng. This has prompted questions about the laws around social media and users' power to incite such violence. Well, to help us answer some of those questions, we're joined now by media law expert Ben Winks. Ben, a very good afternoon to you and thanks for your time. I'm not sure if you did watch court proceedings there, but just to give you an idea, I mean, there were questions raised as to whether cases like this have been successfully prosecuted in the past. We saw the prosecution saying that there have been cases before, but to your knowledge, is this unprecedented, or have cases like this been successfully prosecuted where social media posts or the posters, social media users were accused and then prosecuted for inciting violence?
There have been cases overseas in the US and in Europe where there have been prosecutions of incitement to terrorism. They've been quite controversial because, of course, then you're talking about state security legislation coming into conflict with the right to freedom of speech. And there are some debates about whether that's been legitimately deployed or not. There isn't a great deal of precedent in South Africa for criminal charges for things posted on social media. There have been many civil cases, defamation and cyber crimes, civil cases of cyber harassment and things like that. But the Cyber Crimes Act hasn't been used very much. It's relatively new, and there really isn't much in the way of reported judgments on how social media expression can be dealt with under criminal law.